Thursday lunchtime, just wanted to go over a few trades I'm still in. So of course all the trades are based off the levels that are posted in Discord. There is a buy and a sell level for every instrument, then there is a midpoint, and let's pick a market, gold, above the midpoint, right, looking long to hit the buy level and go beyond. More often than not, price retests a level. Did not happen yet. They came close, but there was no retest. Just means the market is strong so far, but there is still some time for them to retest this level. I was in oil earlier. I got stopped on the trail. Let's take a look at the YM. Same exact thing, right? So this indicator, which was created by one of our members, just plots the levels on the chart for you as soon as I post them in Discord, and then finds the midpoint. And above the midpoint, you're just looking long again toward the buy level and beyond. So this is the Dow. I'm also in the Nasdaq. Same exact idea above the midpoint, and we were looking long in our live room anyway. So I ignored the temporary drop below the midpoint as I described in the live room. We were looking for 180 and 210 and higher to get hit, so I was long. I prefer the long side in the Nasdaq. By the way, yeah, so we also have a live room, and the live room basically focuses on the Nasdaq and the S&P. So in the S&P, for example, in the room, I was advising to buy '04. Any test of '04 should hold and lead us back up to 11, 18, and 24. So all of that happened in S&P. It was a great S&P morning today. They got, I think the low was '04 and a quarter against my '04. At the time, the price was around like 10 or 11, or maybe even a bit higher. And I wanted the retracement down to '04. In the Nasdaq, it was all about the 140. So when they dropped below 140, I advised people to just kind of be patient, let them recover. Once they recovered above 140, it was beautiful to 180 and 210. So that's what we were looking for in the Nasdaq. So in the live room, I basically give real-time, slightly adjusted levels that they also share in Discord in the trade indications channel, which is basically a summary of the daily plan that I share with the group before the market opens. So I am trying something new in the past couple of weeks. Some background. Since I started this group about a year and a half ago, I've been continuously asked to post trades that I personally take so that the members can copy these trades. Now, I've been very reluctant and resistant to do this because I am yet to see a successful, trade calling, trade copying kind of a service or room. Many reasons, I don't want to go into it now. Somewhat skeptical if something like this could work, but after a year and a half of kind of holding back, I decided to give this a shot. So this is the second week where I kind of created a separate Telegram channel, and here I list my actual trades. The feedback has been much better than I expected. At least from the feedback I've been getting, while I did have a couple of losing trades, overall, those who are part of this channel are doing really much better than I even anticipated. So you can look at every day I'm doing like a trade recap for this channel here in Discord. It is available to the public. So when you go on the public, you're going to see this HP signal review. So here, sometimes it's just a screenshot, sometimes it's a video if things are a bit need further explanation, let's say. But I kind of just list all the trades that I posted in the Telegram channel along with the results that I would take a screenshot in the middle of the trade. And yeah, so it's been going really good. Now, it's not a subscription yet. I still want to give it a full month or more to, because I want to make sure that it is something that is successful for people, of course. I know it's successful for me, but just because I'm successful with it doesn't mean, or at least in my head, it is difficult to transmit exactly what the trade is. At least in my head, I don't know if it makes any sense to you, but there is more to trading than simply, listing entry price, target, stop. There is a whole science behind managing a trade, and that would depend on the trader's skills, right? So I know there are at least two traders here who are truly successful traders. They take these signals and they run with it, and they are doing really well. Those who are slightly newer, I imagine, would just need to go for like the first target. I list a number of targets for most trades. Um, Simply because, let's say, there was a very high probability of hitting at least the first target, and after that it's slightly lower, and one would need to manage the trade. So those who are not necessarily perfected yet, the art of managing trades would just take, for example, the first target. So I will keep you updated on how this goes if you are a member. So again, this is for group members. If you are a member and you want to try it out, there is a small monthly fee, but there is a fee for this. It is not a subscription right now. You cannot simply uh, get it off of PayPal or Discord, and that's because I want the flexibility of saying this week did not count toward the subscription. After the first week, so last week was the first week, I actually said that that week did not count. So if it's not a subscription, I have the flexibility to say, you know what, I still feel I can do things a bit better. We need to clarify things a bit better. Maybe we need to present the trades a bit better. And so I want to have the flexibility to say this week did not count. And once something is a subscription, then obviously you pay every 30 days. And that's not what I want at this point. It's not going to become a subscription until I know that this is a product worth having. And only time will tell. Again, I'm coming into this with some skepticism, not because of my approach, but because of what people would do with this. So as long as I continue to get positive feedback and I see that people are doing well with it, we'll continue. If you are a member and you want to participate in this, drop me an email. My email is in the description as always. If you want to. So again, this is straightforward trades. Buy here or sell here. You target this. Your stop is that. And I also list the current price, whatever time I post these trades. So yeah, I just wanted to give you this update. I'm still in this gold trade. This is still going on. So just wanted to give you this update, and again, I'm going to give it another week or two before posting another update uh, to see if this is doing well. Again, so far the feedback has been really nice, but we'll see. We'll see how things go. Thank you all. If you want to join the Discord group, it's in the description. If you want to email me, it's in the description as well.